Hey everybody, my name is Chris. We're going to walk through a quick installation video on how to remove the old baseboard. Okay, what I use to cut my baseboards when I'm finished with my install is a battery sawzall. But if you don't own one, a hand hacksaw works just as well. A Phillips head screwdriver, battery powered, would be preferable. A Sharpie marker, a tape measure, and a pair of channel lock pliers. Let's get started. In order to remove the old cover, grab the bottom of the faceplate, lift up, and pull out. Same here. In order to remove the adjustable slat fin, what we're going to have to do is, the way I find the most simple way to do it is place both hands on both sides of the metal bracket inside and pull towards you. It will release the clip from the bracket. The next step is getting the old metal brackets out. The easiest way to do that is to take this pair of channel lock pliers, grab a few inches next to the metal bracket that's there, and lift up. Do that down the line. Once all the brackets are loose, the element should have some play. The easiest way to remove the brackets is gently pull out the heating element and walk the brackets out like this. I'm moving the brackets over to where I have the most play in the fins. This makes it a lot easier to remove them. Once the adjustable fin is removed, take a look and see how your back panel is secured. If you have nails, a crowbar and a hammer will work. In this situation, there's drywall screws. That's why I have my drill. Remove the drywall screws one by one. There may be some screws underneath the element, so it helps if you just bend the element up and take a look. Once all screws have been removed, the back panel should come out with ease.